What's up, bethu nibelise koninoke ejeni yakho umoya, and I'm back again nenye video. And funny enough namhlanje I'm not reporting any news on this video. Let me not say today, but on this video I'm not reporting any news, but I just wanted to outline a few factors. In fact, two to be precise. The fact of in fact I wanted to not report, but I wanted to state something. I feel like, okay, I know that I don't have so many people that follow me, and I think that each and every time I get views, it's somebody that views the video for the first time. I don't think that I have people that keep on coming back, because I noticed when I went through on the stats, I saw that the people that view my videos are people that have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Obviously, it's a good thing on the other side, like I get people viewing my videos, but it's a bad thing on the other side because the people that view my videos do not actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. So it's a win-loss situation. In fact, it's a win-win situation. I don't know I don't know how to put it, but yeah, man, I've been dropping videos on all of those videos that I've been dropping. Sorry, I awesome. So on all of these videos that I've been dropping, if you have noticed, I have been just giving out the news and then ending the video just like that. So I feel like I should be doing more, in terms of like dropping the video and then releasing like the news on the video, and then also give my side of like giving you guys what I think about the news that I get to be dropping. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, because it's like, okay, let me make an example. I'm saying that Burkina Faso defeated Mauritania yesterday by a goal to nil, courtesy of a penalty from Bertrand Traore. You see, and then it ends there, and then I just drop the video. I feel like I should go on and be like, the reason why I think that game could have ended in a draw was because maybe Mauritania were being more defensive because they were afraid of Burkina Faso, so they were playing a low block, parked the bus. Like, I'm just trying to make an example, those type of things, just to show you guys that I also have like knowledge about football. I do know football, but it's just that I don't think I've been expressing it enough to you guys, because most of the time it's just me reporting. But I also want to show you guys that other side of like being an analyst, because analyzing football is one thing that I do on a daily basis, but I don't know why I just can't seem to. Well, it's the fact that when I'm analyzing it, it's because I'm usually with people, so we're just having conversations and discussing football, certain teams, certain clubs, countries, national teams, whatever. So it becomes a bit different when I'm doing a video, because I'm always alone. So I feel like the reason why I only just drop a scoop is because I don't have a person that I can discuss the scoop with. Well, I tried this year to get I was going to get a person that was actually going to do it with me, because I can't just pick up anybody that let's say there's a person that I meet with, and then I chat with that person and we discuss football. There has to be a certain level of understanding. You see, we have to have our own telepathy, like between us. There has to be a top tier communication and a level of understanding, so that you guys can see that what we do is something that is okay, and it's something that's going to be also nice when you guys get to hear it, and you're going to see that now, what, there's two analysts that are analyzing this here are actually doing it. But then I'm not putting it as an excuse, the fact that I'm all alone, but I'm just trying to state it that from now on, and then moving on to all the videos that I'll be having, I'll try by all means to try and give out my thoughts, so that you guys can also see if this is how I think, or so that you guys can also see how I think about football, so that if you also have something to share, you can also share it. You see, so that it can also be a win-win situation, because you can learn something from me and I can also learn something from you guys. But then, yeah, man, thank you so much for always being present, watching my videos. I really appreciate it, guys. But I'd also like to have no, just a single request, that yazi nithini man, if you're viewing a video yam and you have not subscribed, ngiyacela bra, like akawukhupela, like ngiyakuncenga, like kayeke jo, like But you're just hitting that subscription button. I promise you, awuzopumando, nothing will happen to you. Yeah, bro. So yeah, man, thank you so much for that. Oh, and also for the quality of the videos. I'm sure that the quality is not that high, because I'm not actually making money from doing these videos, but I'm just doing what I like. You get what I'm saying? So I think as time goes by, if it happens that the Lord gives me money, I'll obviously upgrade the standard so that I can also be able to give you guys some top tier quality. So yeah, man, thank you so much for being always here. To all those that get to watch my videos, because you guys are supporting me big time, and this gives me so much happiness to actually note that on some videos I'm like, damn, this amount of viewers and this amount of views on a certain video and all of that. Obviously, this situation is going to fluctuate, because I'm not where I want to be yet, but you guys are taking me to where I want to be. So with all that being said, Jani Akumoya ibulela ngayo yonke into. Danko.